Snimam.
Say you trying to compete, heard you coming for me. Searching, I'm right here. You ain't nothing to me. 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 Hear them calling my name, cause I'm running the game. Ask around in my city, bet they gon' tell you the same. You ain't nothing to me. 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 Your mama, I'll kill the drama, and son, you like Papa. I'm on a mission to get it spittin' and make me some guala. Hottest dude in my city, so all the girlies gon' holler. Plus I stay on my crazy, and on the side I'm a scholar. More than average, I'm crafting this dope shit, gon' and pass it. Adding me to a beat is equal to you being subtracted. Told you I was a problem, but it's not easy mathematics. Swear my talent's like digits of pi to flow everlasting. Schooling niggas so easy, and still I'm skipping my classes. Couldn't see me with glasses while on a boat rowing paddles. Flip the bird while they flopping like they were rocking some sandals. They like Shaq running point, and I take it back, they can't handle. Told me I couldn't spit, but listen, they dipping like snuff. Smoothest nigga that's spitting, killing the game, live with rough. I'm addicted to eating beef, swear I can't get enough. But they just like them groupie hoes, cause I can tell that they suck. Say you trying to compete, heard you coming for me. Searching, I'm right here. You ain't nothing to me. 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 Hear them calling my name, cause I'm running the game. Ask around in my city, bet they gon' tell you the same. You ain't nothing to me. 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 Just told me to rip it, I said I don't have a choice. I go harder than most these niggas while losing my voice. Swear I'm flyer than emblems you see on top of Rolls Royce. I was plotting my greatness while they were playing with toys. Used to say they were better, and I believe it was true. Quit the doubting like Robert Williams and got in the booth. Started spitting my heart and they didn't need to get proof, cause I was only spitting about the shit they seen that I do. Now backpack rapper killing shit is so easy. I got them thinking they wondering how the fuck they gon' beat me. I could be an amputee and bet they couldn't defeat me. I got so much profile that they wanna delete me. Say the game isn't fair and I tell you life really isn't. But you can get with the movement or get nowhere cause you bitching. Most these niggas they want the fame but they ain't trying to work. Guess they scared that they'll face me and then their feelings get hurt. Yo, say you trying to compete, heard you coming for me. Searching, I'm right here. You ain't nothing to me. 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 Hear them calling my name, cause I'm running the game. Ask around in my city, bet they gon' tell you the same. You ain't nothing to me. You ain't nothing to me. You ain't nothing to me. You ain't nothing to me.
Yeah. It seems like the world is testing me. Will I conquer or will it get the best of me? Half of the world sees success in me, the other half is second guessing me. But I kid you not, don't mess with me, cause I think I got something possessing me. No matter what, I'm gonna give what's left of me. I didn't choose this life, it was destiny. Now I'm feeling like I might go psycho. Stand back cause I'm feeling like I might blow. Thin chance but I'm putting up a fight though. To tell me just the wrong path but I know it's right though. Let's pick up the world and shake it. Throw it to the ground and laugh as I break it. Let the whole world know that I'ma make it. And if you don't give it to me then I'm gonna take it. Beast mode, I'm in beast mode. Gunning for the top, cock back, reload. I'm a new man with a new attitude, but don't get me wrong, I'm still me though. I'm all in now, I ain't bluffing. I risk everything, regret nothing. My determination's disgusting, so every day my ass I'm busting. Let me take it back, break it down. Just a couple more months, then college bound. Got a scholarship, my bags were packed, then my world turned upside down. When I got that phone call, so shocking, I thought my heart was stopping. Are you serious? There's a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity knocking. But wait, what now? Thought I had my whole life figured out. Everything I was once sure about was now skepticism and doubt. Almost lost control, lost sanity. Meanwhile my friends abandoned me. I felt lost in the world for a little bit. Had nobody but my family, but I bounced back and got in the zone. Late nights just me and the microphone. My friends were off at college while I was right here sitting at home. They were partying, I was cutting tracks. They were going out, I was making stacks. It's the road I chose, so you know I'm in Milwaukee. Proud of you, never look back. Now, fast forward a couple years, most of my fears have disappeared. After the blood, the sweat, and tears, I dedicate this right here to all my non-believers and haters. Y'all doing me nothing but favors. Keep talking, I can't hear you. Someone go get me a translator. It used to get to me, to the old me. Think you could do better than show me. Those who know me least have the most to say. Don't judge me if you don't know me. Whether I'm a billionaire, flat broke, you think that matters? Is that a joke? If you ain't got talent, you really think money will get you anywhere? Nope. Or you wanna play music Monopoly? I've me. Taking over the world where the money adds up. I'm just passing go, there's no stopping me. I work so hard, I earned it. It's mine now and I'll never return it. I'ma do it so damn big. Every day my fans confirm it. So blast off, I'm out of here. Out of this world to the atmosphere. So long, I'm gone. Been a hell of a ride, what a year, it's just the start. The beginning, the top of the very first inning. No need for a concert, a bullpen, bottom of the ninth, and I'll still be winning. What I went through, it was worth it all. All the times being pinned up against the wall, trying to please my family, friends, and fans. When it's all said and done, after all, I gotta do what's right for me. I gotta chase after this dream. I'm so proud of us, how far we came, me and my whole damn team. God, I'm just doing my best. For real, I feel so blessed. I think somebody's watching over me. Tell me, world, did I pass your test? Did I do this right? Please tell me. I need you now, please help me. Cause life don't come with no manual. I played the cards that you dealt me. My life is on the line every time I rhyme. Always on my grind 24/7. So much on my mind, someone please remind me that I'll be fine. Where my head into the fans, my life I owe you. So close to my heart, I hold you. But to anyone who ever thought of doubting me, I'm so proud to say that I told you.
Why don't you do the intro on the show? Apathy, Fort Minor, Styles and Beyond, Demigods. Here we go. Yo, rappers like heavy metal and ghettos, guns, metal and ammo. Pistol with Tony and fuck metal soprano. Cats tell them bugs, but tell them thugs. That rappers like rappers like heavy metal and ghettos, guns, metal and ammo. Pistol with Tony and fuck metal soprano. Cats tell them bugs, but tell them thugs. They don't know to carry more heat than welding gloves. I walk amongst the gods, keep my head in the clouds. Always show bookies love, getting head in the crowd. Put it in your girl's mouth, blast off like NASA. The master of nastiness, transform a classy bitch into a little cheap freak. Sadomasochist, dastard and bastard. A rap so disastrous. Spit and heal the cripple like Christ, I'm miraculous. And fights my savageness, turns punks pacifists. The police clock out like there we go. Always on the watch cause I used to carry blow. Always locking down but I never marry hoes. Bury foes when the flows come through your stereo. There we go. Flipping unpredictable verses, a curse to burst words like Tourette's on purpose. Flip the bird like a back heavy jet perverse as it is. I can't stop and it's making me nervous, okay? Get me on the track and I'm cracked. I'm packing a backpack full of tracks on some CDs. Be me, fuck that, not likely to bite me. You need to be you times 90. I got schemes and a team so hype we get on the scene, make a scene on the nightly. Say what I mean, whether mean or politely. Living the dream in some clean white Nikes or DCs. I'm not giving a shit. Fuck the words that you heard and the lyrics that they hang from. I stay banging the bang bang drums and hanging you lames in the same no name gangs you came from. I don't got an excuse. Just talking the truth and fucking awesome when I rock in the booth. And I stay ready with hot block, rocking the views. Y'all are really not stopping this dude. Yeah, talk, get him. It started off with Canova and hit the galaxy. Now we moving them over. They're cramming me as the Cali King. Anything tossed to my views, getting chewed up. With a crew that fits a little groove way too much. Hooligan smacked in the face with aluminum bats. He fucking raps so as good as me, boo-booing. I said I was rude, step in the shoes. You don't believe me. You can ask step in the dude. How I strip down, you bitch clowns stand on my socks and rip a motherfucker's ass like I'm Cannibal Wax. You want a stone, beat him with a basket of rocks and get your shit blown. Feeling for the casket to drop. You know the SOBs never get the racket to stop. Breaking the habit is impossible. What happened to Talk? He's unleashed to the beast, so sledgehammer your block. Partying with your corpse, posing for the camera shot. Styles and machine shot, necklace fly. No wonder everybody's so petrified. Styles and machine shot, necklace fly. No wonder everybody's so petrified. You hear that?
Oh, Bridget. Dosta. A? Tak.